Hello guys, I want to show on this washer. There is one secret button which is called test wash. We will not start, but check it out. You have to hold time save and delay end and click this button. Wait, what? Oh, not good. Wait. Oh, okay. So that's the test wash. I will not start because it will be a spinning area. I won't see program, not area. What am I talking? So machine is now locked. You cannot open it. If I want to start, I will record tomorrow. If you enjoy the video, do on this LG video. If you have an LG washer, just hold two buttons. Do not rinse plus. You have to only these two buttons and click this button. Hold this and this. Okay, you cannot change any program to. You see it, and when you see this weird changing display, just click start. You have more steps, but some steps can fail, so water can stand in. You can do a spin cycle to drain your water, but no spin. When it stops draining, just turn on the wash. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.